Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today we have to discuss the topic related to pragmatism. The term pragmatism is derived from the Greek word pragma. Pragma means practice and practical. Pragmatism in education. First one, values are created through experimentation. Second one, educational practice have to be experimental. Third one, curriculum is activity centered. Fourth one, curriculum is integrated. And last one, freedom should be given to the child for the development of his all-round personality. Pragmatism and the curriculum. Pragmatists neither approve of a rigid traditional pattern of curriculum wherein have would be watertight compartmentalization of knowledge into different subjects, nor do they support a laissez-faire policy in curriculum organization. They would like to integrate the curriculum with the life and experience of children. Life and experience of the pupil should be integrated with the activities of the school. According to pragmatists, curriculum should include tools of knowledge as reading, writing, counting, nature study, drawing, hygiene, physical training, history, geography, science, domestic science for the girls and agricultural science for boys. Vocational training is an indispensable part of curriculum. Pragmatism and method of teaching. The focus of pragmatic method of teaching is on the child in society, that means democratic, and learning by doing, and it should be experimental. Another method is project method. W.H. Kilpatrick has defined it. A project is a wholehearted, purposeful activity proceeding in a social environment. There are 4 stages in the project method. They are: first one, purposing; second one, planning; third one, executing; and fourth one, evaluating. Pragmatism and the teacher. Pragmatism regards the teacher as a helper and guide. The teacher assumes the role of an arranger of experience and director. Pragmatism and the discipline. Pragmatism holds that discipline should be social through and through. Free, purposeful and cooperative activities organized in the school lead to social discipline, and also it stresses the self-control. Then we have to discuss the limitations of pragmatism. Pragmatism by and large ignores internal values. Pragmatism pays little attention to spiritual values. Pragmatism advocates a utilitarian approach only. It provides very insignificant place to cultural values. Pragmatism believes that experience is all in all. It ignores the knowledge accumulated through the ages. Pragmatism does not give due importance to regular and systematic instruction. The entire knowledge and experience needed by a child cannot be obtained through projects. Pragmatism does not indicate fixed educational goals. These are the major limitations of pragmatism. Okay students, these are all about pragmatism. Let us we have to discuss the next Western schools of philosophy known as existentialism. Okay, bye. Take care. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.